With just a square piece of paper and some patience, you can create a three-dimensional balloon or cube that you can inflate like a real balloon, even turning it into a water bomb by filling it with water. Start by folding the paper diagonally in both directions to form an X, and then fold it in half. Bring the upper right corner in, repeat on the other side, and press down on the folds. Create a diamond shape by folding the flaps to the top and then repeating these steps on the opposite side. Fold the right and left corners into the center of the diamond, repeating this on the other side. Tuck the loose flaps into the folds you just made by making small triangles on each of the flaps. If you find it challenging, tape can help secure them, and a pencil can assist in opening the folds. Finally, locate the hole on the end without flaps and blow into it to inflate your creation. Adjust the folds as needed, filling it with water through the small hole to make an origami water balloon.